Hi guys, I thought I'd show you how I make char cloth for my flint and steel. I've got a golden syrup tin here and a few chars in there, so it's a little bit burnt up, but it's a great little tin and a great seal on the lid. And what I've done, I've just put a hole as a breather, so all the materials are nicely sealed in that tin, and that'll go on the fire. And here I've got some good quality cotton, and then I'll just cut all these pieces up into sections like so. So it's brilliant for a nice piece like that for a bit of flint and steel action. So nice pieces like that, and they'll go in the tin. Don't overload the tin, just keep it nice bit of airflow in there. Something nice about ripping material. So I'll put about 9 or 10 pieces in the tin. So nice pieces of cotton in there, and seal the lid well. Nice good seal on there. Remember your hole though. And I'll place her on the fire like so. Nice even heat around the tin. Make sure you've got a good fire glove as well to lift the tin off, because it gets really hot. So what we'll see shortly is it will start smoking, and then a flame will come out of that hole where it's burning all the gases out of the material, and then you know it's beginning to char. You can char all kinds of material, but I'm just using cotton at the moment. But I've done wood as well. Lots of different varieties of wood. So we'll let that heat up. Just remember, don't have a too flamey fire, because if an ember goes inside that hole, your char's ruined. So it's starting to smoke now through the hole. Heat's building up in the tin. Great little project if you go out and buy a flint and steel kit, and you can start practicing. And she's smoking well now. So once that stops smoking, we're ready to lift her off the fire. And there's the flame. So that's all the gases burning off the material. It's quite an effective little torch there. It's a great little project if you've got your fire going and you've got yourself a tin and some cotton. So as soon as that stops smoking, that should be ready. That's your sign. So that's a couple of minutes in now. We've still got a bit of gas in there. The smoke's slowly dying down. So I reckon another couple of minutes we'll be removing her and we'll take a look. Right, that's stopped. So on with your heat glove. Remember your glove, because that tin is hot. And then let it cool down before you open it, because once that oxygen goes in there you'll burn all your char cloth. That's been cooling down for about 10 minutes. We'll open the tin. See what we got. So that's charred beautifully, and that's what it looked like before it went in, and that's it now. And that is a great material for flint and steel. If you never use flint and steel, try using flint and steel on that and then char it, and you'll see the difference. So I'll go and get my flint and steel kit and I'll show you how effective this is. That's my flint and steel kit. Just a standard piece of flint that I've harvested from these woods, and a nice steel that I bought online. So let's give this a go. That's a piece I've just made. Just lay it on top of your flint. Get your steel, and it's just a wrist action. And there you go, that's how effective that is. And then obviously you transfer that into a bird's nest. So highly effective, just from one spark. Great material. Once you apply that to the bird's nest, get yourself a nice fire going, and as simple as that. So get out there guys, and have a go at charring some cloth, and if you haven't got a flint and steel, give it a go. Great project. There we go. Cheers guys, hope you found the video interesting, enjoy the great outdoors, see you on the next one.